All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about a new tool from Mueller Kueps. Now at Auto Mechanica, I got the chance to meet some of the people with Mueller, and they sent me some tools to check out, talk about with you guys. So yes, they are a sponsor. This is a pretty cool tool for you guys up in the Northeast with rust. Less so for me down here in the South, but still a useful tool. Inner rim cleaning tool. So if you've got a corroded rim and you've got problems, this is a good quick way to deal with it. Now it comes in two pieces. You've got a Scotch-Brite type wheel with Velcro and a Velcro head on it. Now I will tell you, when you stick this on, it does not want to come off. It's hard to get it back off. So now that obviously is replaceable. They have them available, but it's a good method for cleaning inner rims. Knowing that I'm in the South, it's going to be really hard for me to show you an example of how well this works. But I got a rim here. I mean, I'm in the South, so I don't deal with a whole lot of corrosion, but you can see how effective this is for cleaning this part of the hub so it fits correctly on the see, it's cleaning up nicely. You know, get all the corrosion off. Should do a really good job. Get this part of it really clean, which is usually where I see a lot of corrosion buildup, is right around the centering ring. So you got a nice clean surface. Pretty effective. So if you're up in the Northeast, might be a tool to look at. Part number, by the way, is 433507. Now, their American headquarters is based here in Georgia, up in Duluth, and manufacturing is in Germany and Taiwan. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like the video? Maybe you're in the South like me? Give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.